Hi guys, today we continue our outdoor practice. It's perfectly situational conversation. It's help you to improve your vocabulary. At the same time, you are confident. I have no doubt after watching this video, your confidence will increase. So let's watch.
For today's session, we got such a beautiful place. Wow, it's a pleasant day. Look, there is a rock. Let's ask him to climb on.
You ask.
Shall we climb on the rock, please?
Hey, no, there is a chance to slip down because of the rain.
He is talking with someone. Come, let's climb now. Don't
No,
worry.
he will angry with us.
See that I will manage, please.
Okay, then go fast.
Amalu, be careful.
Okay. Oh, I can climb there.
Catch my hand.
Thank you.
Look, the water is flowing on the rock.
Oh my god, I feel fear. I can't.
Don't be afraid, dear.
Hey, stop. Let's return.
Don't worry. Be courageous.
No, I can't come with you. I stay here. You go.
Hey Amalu, I reached here. Come.
Coo! Uncle is coming.
Amalu, don't lie. It's a sunny day. It's cool over here.
From where is the starting point of the stream?
It may be just upon the rock. You come, let's search.
No, you go and find it. Hey, Uncle is coming. Come fast.
Oh my god. Don't make sound. I'm trying to come fast. Oh my god. I can't. It's too difficult to get down.
Who compelled you? Come fast. He reads.
Okay.
Oh, climb down fast.
How? I reached successfully. Photo, please.
I take the photo, but as a punishment, you have to say the conclusion from there. Without, I will not take. Okay?
കൂട്ടുകാരെ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഞങ്ങളുടെ വീഡിയോ ഇഷ്ടപ്പെടുകയാണെങ്കിൽ നിങ്ങൾ ലൈക്ക് ഷെയർ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് കമന്റ് ചെയ്യണം കൂടെ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ അടുത്തുള്ള ബെല്ലൈക്കൺ അമർത്താൻ മറക്കല്ലേ നിങ്ങൾ ഞങ്ങളുടെ വീഡിയോസ് തേടി വരൂ ബൈ
Come fast. Let's go to river.